Yeah! All right. And sit. What did we ask for? Please hug. Smile.
Have you ever looked into your dog's eyes and wondered, do they really get what I'm saying? Or are they just responding to the sound of my voice? Or maybe that treat in my hand? For years, we've loved our furry friends, but the true depth of their understanding has been a mystery. Until now, recent groundbreaking scientific studies are finally shedding light on this fascinating question. It turns out, your dog might be understanding a lot more than you think. And it's not just about tricks or commands, it's about something much deeper. How their brains process our words. Let's start with a truly eye-opening discovery. A study highlighted by Forbes magazine revealed that dogs can actually form mental pictures of words. Think about it. When you say ball, your dog might not just hear a sound, but actually imagine their favorite toy. This isn't just a guess. Scientists saw it happening in their brains. Researchers used a special brain scanning technique, similar to what's used on humans, to observe something called the N400 effect. In people, this brain signal pops up when we hear something unexpected. For example, if you're talking about a cat and suddenly someone says shoo, in that context, your brain reacts. Well, dogs showed a similar reaction. When they heard the word for a toy, but then saw a different toy, their brains showed this same surprise signal. This tells us they were expecting the right toy, meaning they understood the word itself, not just the sound. So you're wondering what your dog's favorite word is? Well, the answer depends on your dog. Some dogs can learn hundreds of words. I mean, these viral button dogs on social media, they're learning English almost as well as you and me. But most dogs don't learn that many words. They pick up a few here and there, like treat or walk. But honestly, it's kind of hard to believe that dogs can learn any words at all because their brains are so different from ours. But here's the thing. Even tiny puppies, just weeks old, they're wired to pay attention to our faces, our voices, even our pointing gestures. And that's not something that other animals do. I mean, have you ever tried to teach a chimpanzee to follow your finger? It's literally impossible. They have no interest in what you're pointing at. But dogs, they're different. They're naturally curious about our human world. They want to be part of our pack. And that's why they're so good at learning our language. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. The VCA Animal Hospital's article explains that dogs don't just listen to what we say, but also how we say it. Think about it. Saying, "good boy," in a happy, excited voice versus a flat, boring tone. Your dog definitely knows the difference, right? MRI scans show that dogs process word meaning in one part of their brain, and the tone of our voice in another. When both parts work together, when our words and our tone match, that's when dogs understand us best. It's like they're putting together a puzzle, using all the clues we give them. And then there's Rico, the famous border collie, who learned over 200 words. He could even learn a new word after hearing it just once, much like a young child. This incredible ability shows that some dogs can grasp the meaning of words even without a specific tone or context. So, what does all this mean for you and your best friend? It means your dog isn't just a furry companion. They're a surprisingly sophisticated listener. They understand more than just commands. They understand the meaning behind your words, and they certainly understand your emotions through your tone and body language. This research deepens our appreciation for these amazing animals and strengthens the incredible bond we share. The next time you talk to your dog, remember, they're listening and they're understanding in ways we're only just beginning to discover. Does your dog have a secret vocabulary of words they understand? Or what's your most heartwarming or surprising story about your dog understanding you? Let's discuss in the comments, and if you found this video insightful, please support us. Give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.